So I did a gradient with a reddish pink and a white with some glitter. Then I did a white background with some red and some other kind of pinkish colors I had. And then this one, I did the same thing with this, but I had some little glitter polish that had like these silver, pink, and little blue glitter, so I put that on. Then I had these really pretty glitters, so I sponged those on, and it's kind of like a kind of blast of glitter. And this one, I did the same thing with this, but I did all pink. It looks pretty. Haven't cleaned up yet. Just got done with them. And with my other hand, I did the same thing. Of course, messier, because this is my dominant hand. So, that's why this is really bad. But I will clean up after it's had time to set, because I don't care if they're cleaned up. So yeah, this is my Valentine's Day nail polish. And my kitty.